Hello everyone, Bill here at Auto World in Greens Fork, Indiana. I want to share with you this 1968 Chevelle that we are going to be doing some rust repair on. We're going to name this car Bob. I like to name them, but this is a 68 Chevelle. It has had some rust repair in the past. New quarters have been put on it, but there's rust in the trunk. That's what we're going to be doing to it. If you'll look here, there's rust in been covered up with foil tape here in the right rear and all the way across. Then it's bad again here. And a pretty good sized hole right above where the frame arches over the rear axle. These braces in the back are already loose. So I want to patch that one and that one there. The lip here on the trunk lid, where the trunk lid seal would go, that's pretty bad shape. We're going to remove the rear glass and see what the channel looks like under the glass. There is some pitting on the package tray. If the channel is good, then we have patches just to fix the gutter across there for the seal. And if the window frame itself is not good, then we have this patch panel here. These three small packages are the braces that go from the trunk latch and the rear panel down to the trunk pan. And we have a one-piece trunk pan here with all the braces on the bottom side for the fuel tank and things to go back in the original place. I do need to order some plugs for those. Also, the car has a hole right there on the rear panel. The rear cross member is gone and a little bit of rust here on the frame rail. About the last 12 inches will be repaired. The cross member is there in that box. And this box has all the new body bushings and bolts. We need to square the car back up. I believe it's shifted around because the distance between the quarter panel on this side compared to this side is much different. So we'll be pulling some lines and getting that all squared up for him. And we hope to have this back together with epoxy primer on it and sealer, seam sealer within a month. And that's what we do here at Auto World.